Good morning and welcome to day one of back on the intermittent fasting game. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself a cup of this hot tea. I'm going to drop some lemon in it and sweeten it with a little bit of monk fruit and stevia mixture and just wait patiently for my time frame of eating. I hope you guys enjoy this full day of eating and let's get to it. All right, it is 9:44 and I'm going to break my fast. I'm aiming for like 9 to 5, so I can do like 9 to 5:30 today. But yeah, so here is my breakfast. This is 2.5 pieces of bacon with this extreme wellness low carb wrap. These are 5 carbs with two pieces of cheese. That's going to be, they're less than 1 carb per slice, so I'm going to make it 1 carb. So that is, I think this is 5, that's 1, that's 6. And right here is some homemade coleslaw. I did get this recipe from the Ketogenic. I will leave her stuff linked down below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, so here is my first meal of the day. I'm going to follow that up with some water. And yeah, I'm actually really hungry. Took me a little while to get through this today, but we did it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to eat. Hey guys, so we are going to head over. We're going to Starbucks. And I thought it would be fun just to share with you guys how I actually order my drink, because I know sometimes it can get confusing on how people order their drinks, because I always kind of freak out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna come home and clean. But I had my breakfast. So far so good. I'm thinking I'm gonna do my MCT coffee, like my bulletproof coffee, as my last like meal of the day, because I'm gonna have some stuff to work on, like on the computer. So I'm like, I'm gonna need that caffeine. So anyways, let's go to Starbucks. Hi, can I have a large iced coffee with no classic?
Large iced coffee, no classic?
Yes, ma'am. And 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 4 pumps of sugar-free dolce, and heavy whipping cream, please.
Okay. All right. Anything else today?
And then can I have the old-fashioned donut, I guess?
Let me make sure I have that. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I have that. Anything else?
No, ma'am, that's it.
Can I get a name for the order?
Danielle.
All right. We'll see you at the window. Thank you, Danielle.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It was a close one.
Okay. I get that was a close one. I get legit anxiety. All right, I have to pay. I'll be back. Okay, so this is how it's ordered. So it's a venti iced coffee, no classic. Make sure you get the no classic, guys. 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 4 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce with heavy cream. And I always ask for light ice because I feel like it's always more ice than there is coffee. And this is what it looks like. It is amazing. It's really, really good. Becky got a donut, but you know, she ain't about that keto life. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my coffee, and then I'll check in with you later. Okay, so here is going to be, let me tell you what time it is. It's 4:15. It's 4:15, and this is, I guess, my second meal of the day. So remember, for breakfast, like around, I think it was like almost 10 o'clock, I had the, you know, you guys seen, whatever. Then I had coffee, so now this is what we're eating. So it's just a bed of lettuce. You guys know I don't count my lettuce for carbs. That's just my preference. You do you, I do me. This is 4 pieces of bacon, and then I just baked it and then I cut it up, and 2 hard-boiled eggs, and it is topped with this Marie's creamy Italian garlic. I love this stuff. It was on sale when I went to the store this week, so I picked that up. And I have 4 tablespoons, so 2 carbs. See, 2 tablespoons, 1 carb. So I have 4, so it's 2 carbs. So yep. So we're at around, let's see, breakfast was 5, 6. So we're gonna say 6 for breakfast, 7, 8 right here. So that's what we're working with. All right, so I whipped up a little batch of these peanut butter cookies. I made these ones thicker than the ones you may have seen in my previous video. So these are roughly about 2 carbs per serving. I'm gonna have 2 because the girl's hungry and I have like a sweet tooth. And then, you know, Leo and the girls love them too. So this is going to be a little snack, and then I'll probably have my coffee in a little bit. It is 4:40, so my cutoff time for eating is 5 o'clock. So I know that might be early for you guys, but I'm usually up pretty early, between like 5:30, no later than 6 a.m. So that's good timing for me. Anyways, yeah, so I'm having myself a cup of coffee, and I did use the Perfect Keto MCT powder and vanilla. It's actually pretty good. It's sweet, so I don't have to add any sweetener. or anything like that. So yeah, I might add just a little splash of half and half, just because I need it to be a little less, but it's actually pretty good. I was surprised. You know how like you're kind of skeptical on trying stuff? This one was pretty good. So that's going to wrap up this full day of eating. I'll probably try to just leave the carb total on the bottom of the screens when I have time to figure it all out. And yeah, we'll count everything up. But all right, so I hope you guys like this video. And you know what? If you guys find yourself getting hungry throughout the night, drink lots of water. That has helped me. I've just been making sure I'm keeping up with my water. You know, you can put some lemon slices in it. And if I feel like I need something else, I'm probably going to drink some more tea. So, dog's barking. I got to go. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you.